Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, this you crazy mother.
What is going on, guys? So today we are going to replace my garage door because it's from the 1950s and it's clunky and it doesn't seal and it's cold in here. We are waiting on parts for Jason's EF so we can start the swap on that. We stripped down the EP3. If you guys haven't checked out that video, I will link it up above. But before we take the old garage door down and put the new one up, I have to take all of my wagon parts that I have stuffed up here, all the interior, rocker, everything, and put it in its new home in the shed, because I want to clean all this up and make it a nice shop, put some storage in here, and make it organized, because I got shit everywhere. So I'll put you on a time lapse and we'll get started. So I continued cleaning here. I got everything off from up above except for right there. But as I'm cleaning, you ever put shit away somewhere and you forget what you have? Two clusters, mud flaps. All kinds of shit. Alright, be back when something exciting's happening. Alright guys, so I got a little ahead of myself and I got all the wood that was up top down, got everything out, and I undid the springs. I should have shown you guys that. So undo the springs with the door up. Do not take them off with tension. They are dangerous. Because it's a solid wood door. It's all jacked up though. So now I'm going to take off all the swing arm mechanisms from both sides and undo the door. And then I have to go outside and build a support to hold the door, because I need the door still, because I won't be able to finish this today, so I don't want to leave my garage open. So I will do that and then we'll be back. Alright guys, I don't know where I'm at in this video, yeah, but we got everything pulled off the sides. I gotta finish pulling those off real quick. That's not hard, they just unclip from there. And then I have to, man, that light's wicked. So you can see, I gotta pull all the excess boards off, knock back some of the drywall, and see, I'm gonna have to put either a 2x4 or something to give a flat mating surface for the new door. I'll show you what I did to hold the door up in a little bit. I just built a A-frame on the back side so the door tilts back and it stays in place. Don't go nowhere. So I'm going to start tearing the rest of this out. Quick update. I got all the drywall, everything cut out where it needs to be so I can screw in the 2x6s. They're gonna go all the way up, and then there's another 2x6 beam that goes across your header, and then I can put the frame up for the garage door. Check this out though. I found these old newspapers stuffed in the wall. They're from, let's see, Wednesday, February 4th, 1981. So some people are probably going to be like, that wasn't that long ago. I was born in 84 and I'm 37. So this was 40 years ago? I don't know. I'm bad at math. A long time ago. But it's kind of cool. You could buy a 78 Ford Granada for $4,000. But this is what I miss. Look at people's ads in the paper. Focus. If I can get it to focus. I'll put in a picture so it's focused. But where is it? This guy wanted to sell his 74 Impala for $875. There was a 77 Nova hatchback for $2,000. What else? 79 Camaro. Oh, well, that's $8,000. No, 5,000. You figure back then that was only 2 years old. What else is here? I don't know. I think shit like this is cool. Plus, newspapers are a dying art. Even magazines. You don't see hot rod magazines. You don't see import magazines. None of that anymore. Anyways, I'm going off on tangent. Let me show you the frame I built on the backside. Just fucking threw it together garbage. So it'll support the door. So I can move it in and out. And still have the opening covered. Alright, check back with you in a bit. Quick update, guys. I got ahead of myself. Got the frame all in. And I got the panels up. Just read the instructions on the box, not that hard. Basically, you put the hinges on each panel before you lock it in place. Make sure it's centered to the door. Hold it against the door. I didn't have long enough nails, so now we're gonna put the side tracks in, and we'll be back. All right, guys. So from the last clip, I lost the rest of the footage of me putting the rails in and putting the uprights. I have to get a new SD card. It just keeps corrupting, and I keep losing my footage. So let me show you what it looks like. So here it is. All in. Last time you guys seen it, it was just hanging here. So you just slide the tracks around in place, and they give you measurements in the instructions of how far away they want them from the rollers. And you screw them into your studs and then align everything up. You put your hangers in the back, and it goes up. It's really not hard. It's step-by-step instructions. I'm really sorry that I lost the footage I wanted to show you guys. For some people that have a hard time, there was some pieces that just didn't make sense. The hardest part is getting everything aligned and in the right spot is the hardest part. I have to put that 1-inch piece of wood up top to fill in a gap because my door is not exactly 7 feet. Gotta love old houses. Little skateboarder. Next I gotta do the door opener. Yeah, I know it's only one door and it's light, but I'm lazy. Now I gotta cut that up. So next video will either be the garage door opener, or if somebody of you noticed, whoop, that showed up. So we can start working on that. But I need to get the shed ready first. Alright guys, that is going to conclude today's video. I'm sorry I didn't give you as much detail as I would like on the door, but just follow the instructions and you'll be good. A video is a video. It's better than nothing. It will get better. We've got the effing rally car to do. That'll be next. Or to be the garage door opener, I don't know. Whatever I get to first. But if this helped you in any way, please give it a like, guys. But if you want to see more on the effing rally car and other shenanigans we got going on, please consider subscribing. If not, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
On the next episode.